who are present over here, on behalf of school principal, I would like to extend my warm welcome to bid the farewell to our relatives. It's not a very easy task. As our students, they already explained, it brings obstacle on our throats. It makes our eyes teary. We get the eyes watery eyes we get. But this is a natural process. We have to do it. We have to continue it. Everyone, we have understood to bid the farewell is not the final. This is not the ending. This is a ending of a chapter, but beginning of the another lesson. So one side we feel a kind of emotional that make us feel unhappy, but this is also a kind of opportunity that help us to open the door of opportunity for the next field. So I am very much grateful with you all. You have got an opportunity to step into the next field. You have already stayed a lot. More than a decade, you have shared lot of gain, lot of pain, lot of moments with us. I have been expressing and I have been sharing with you all. In the world, if there is no girlfriend, no problem. This is Trump's statement. If there is no boyfriend, no problem. But if there is no money, there is problem. No money, several problems are there. So what I want to tell you is, right before your song, what was there? Euta Sathi Thiyo. We need lot of Sathis, but all the Sathis will be cooperating us when we are in a problem. So you should understand your Sathis. You should understand your friends. Then you have to make the company. The bad company, bad result. Good company, good result. That you have already understood. Frequently, time again and again, we have shared with you all, okay? Now there are some of the points that I have to tell you is, many of the teachers, our directors are also, our students also, they already spoken the word that is trust yourself. If you trust yourself, God always trusts you. If you don't trust yourself, God will not trust. Your parents will not trust. So always do not lose your confidence. Always think you are the best. You will do the best. You are doing best for the parents. You are doing best for this Dharan Ligament School. You are doing best for the friends. If you do the best, every friend, they will call you, you are the best. And day before yesterday, I heard a point. If you are called naughty in the small lives with your friends, whole life you will be called the naughty. Whether you do the good things, do the bad things, but they always call you naughty. How is the naughty man doing? The questions comes. So from the beginning of the life, you try to do your best. This year we are very much happy with the students of class 10, batch 2081. They did not create the problem at school while you were at school. No problems we noticed. Minor problems were there. Minor problems are not problem, because major problems are problems. And we have the confidence, if the problems are there, we are always running after the solution. We catch the solution and we throw the solution. You might have experienced this class 10 boys and girls. Many, major problems were trying to come up, but we did not make it happen because we have a confidence. We have a, very much worries about you and your parents and the society. We work together you also did not hurt us. Most probably, we might have hurt you, knowingly or unknowingly, but it was not our bad intention with you. It was our, intention to push you ahead on the way of the best purpose. And then if we have done something differently without understanding your sentiment and without understanding your problem, I beg pardon from this podium. Please forget the things that we have done for you that has hurt you. One example, I request to Kishan Rai, if I have hurt you, just shaping you on the proper way, I beg pardon, very sorry Kishan. So may God bless you along with your friends to go in a proper track, and hope you will be doing the best. The next one, what is written there is, in my theory, keep learning, keep growing. Keep learning, keep growing means life is a journey. This is very long journey. It has to move with the gain and pain. It has to move with the joy and hardship. It has to cross the twists and turns. If you are not able to cross the twists and turns, if you cannot face the hardship, and if you not can enjoy the word joy, then life will not be meaningful. To make the life meaningful, just trust in hardship, entertain your life, move ahead, and respect your parents, help to juniors, help to poor people whenever they are in a problem, and gain the confidence to find out the solutions in life. One thing I want to share, yesterday I went to Chatara. One of my cousin, he was engineer. He was very good student, but he was engineer. I told you he was working in a government school. He was working at engineering colleges as a technical teacher. He had his own institution. I don't know. He was having headache from the beginning. He never used to speak his problems. Just saying hello, good morning, namaste, how are you? More than this, nothing. Then finally he got married and he had small son, 7 years old. But 4 days back, he committed suicide. He committed suicide. How he committed suicide means, early in the morning, he just took the scooter, he went to the Kosi River, Chatara bridge, left his mobile there. Then after, sent the message to wife, right? Now I'm going to, take the permission to go away from you. If you find my dead body, please don't show to son. So bye bye. He sent the message. By the time he jumped, he gave the bungee jump, unwanted bungee jump. He expired. But his dead body we found. And yesterday we did the cremation. Everyone was normal. Some sisters, he has 4 sisters. The British Army, they have got married with the British Army. And his one brother did PhD. He is my classmate up to BSc from the schooling. He is in America with family. One brother is in Hong Kong with family. Father, 2 years back, he expired, British Army. Mother, 80 years old. 5 sisters. Mother and one, Kansa brother, they came. And then what happened is, no one was having pain, but only mother was such a unbearable pain. To see his mother, I could not stop my tears. Because she tried to cry, could not cry. Time again and time again, she fell unconscious. Means, what do you understand? What I have understood, not only yesterday, from the beginning of the life, I have understood there is no one to love us more than the parents. So I told you, there is no girlfriend, no problem. There is no boyfriend, no problem. If there are no parents, there is the biggest problems. Parents, they cannot exchange us with any valuable things. So let's not make our parents cry, till we till the God makes us stay. So let's not hurt the parents. Let's work together to make the parents happy. Let's work together and let's have a hard work to bring the good results so that your parents will shed the tears of happiness, not the tears of the pain. So it's my humble request to you all. So another one what I want to tell you is, I have been telling you, life is a struggle. You have to struggle it. And then sometime what happens, as Durga sir already said, now you have a lot of time to, live out the what proper routine. And then in between you have several kinds of obstacles. Suppose if you fall in love with someone, you got broke up. You got break up. No worry. Meaning of the breakup is for a new patch up. This you have to understand. Not with the same patch up, new patch up you have. You have new opportunity. One chapter closed, next chapter will be opening. So why I'm telling you this is, sometimes boys and girls, they fall in love and then break up, and then boys start smoking, then start taking next. Then after they go in a depression, then they go for the bungee jump. They go for the bungee jump. We don't have to do like this. Life, today we are sad, tomorrow happiness. Tomorrow we are sad, next day happiness. Today we have hardship, next day we have joyful life. So life is beautiful because we have experienced more than 5 decades of the beautiful life, painful life. Every moment of the life we have experienced. So dear class 10, hope you will understand. You are already, in the school. That school is not hi-fi school. This school is a school where everything are mixed and everything are tested here. You have already worked to clean the washrooms. You have already worked to clean the grounds. You have already worked to clean your classrooms. You have already worked to tie up the laces of your brothers. You have already worked to, make the tie up your brothers, sisters. Everything you have worked. So I hope whenever you get 2 exciting moments, you will control. Whenever you get 2 depressing moments, you will control. And day before yesterday, I had studied one statement in a Facebook. On Facebook wall, what was written means, when you are angry, you don't get energy to shout. You don't need energy to shout when you are angry. Automatic you get the energy. You shout, you start shouting at others. But at that moment, you need energy to cool down. You need energy to cool down. So whenever you get angry, remember, you have to cool down. Cool down first and react. These are my suggestions. And next, first, you try to do the best in the coming exam, SE exam. Then after, to support, indirect support you can get from me. Indirect support you can get from coordinators or and other teachers. Direct support in the front desk. Director sir is there. You can go and talk to sir. Sir will give you the best suggestion as per your interest. Not the as per the interest of the Durga sir, interest of the Tejman sir. As per your interest, special counseling you will be getting there. Okay? Did you understand? So next one, what I want to tell you is, I told you about your parents. I told you about this suicide and everything also. Finally, one more time, everyone, I'm very happy with you all this year. No problems we got. When you were in a class 9 also, we didn't get any kind of problem. So you all are very best students of the year. Hey, very best student of the year. Next, what I want to tell you all is, be holding your own business, providing the job to others. You are not going to seek the jobs in the future. This is my best wishes. So on behalf of the entire school family, I extend my heartfelt best wishes for you all for coming exam, and then may God be with you always whenever you are in a problem, whenever you are in a stress. May God bless you to refresh you from the what? From the tensions and all, okay? So may God bless you to, gain the potential to control the stress, potential to control the what? Exciting moments and all. Thank you very much. Now, very small announcement, every student, you are very good students. You stayed with us for a long time. Now, school time is also over. Now, we have two things left. First, closing dance will be there. As soon as the closing dance is over, then chairperson will declare the closing of the program. After closing of the program, the students from class 5 to 8, you will line up and board the bus and go back to your homes. Class 9 and 10 join together for refreshment. Then after refreshment, you all will be getting together for the group dance. After group dance, we have a very short meeting with class 10. If you are wishing to go somewhere in a group, you can go, but we must get the information where you are going. Because whenever your parents start calling us, where is my Chirag, where is my Niraj, I have to tell them they are in that place, they are entertaining themselves for the last moment from the school. I could tell so that parents will not have any kind of tension. All right, no tension to school, no tension to parents, no tension to class 10. This is our motive. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Sorry. Best of luck one more time. God bless you. All right, now miss you a lot, please, and try to miss us as well. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for a wonderful wishes.
सर जतिखेर बिरामी हुनुहुन्थ्यो त्यो समयमा मैले सबै नानीहरूलाई भनेको थिएँ सरको स्वास्थ्य लाभको कामना गरौँ र सर निको भएर आएपछि फेरि भेटौँला भनेको थिएँ। भगवान छन्, सरको स्वास्थ्य लाभको कामना सरले भगवानले हेरेको छ फेरि पनि। र यो मायाको चिनो सरको तर्फबाट क्लास 10 को नानीहरूलाई सरको मायाको चिनो राखिदिनु। एक्जाम सकेपछि यो मायाको चिनो एक्जाम सकेर एकपल्ट हेर्नु, रिजल्ट आएर फेरि एकपल्ट हेर्नु यो मायाको चिनो, अनि त्यहाँ फोन नम्बर के लेखेको छ त्यहाँ कहाँ रहेछ एकपल्ट डायल गरी हेर्नु। मायाको चिन्हको मूल्य फिर्ता हुनेछ। र पुनः एकपल्ट धरान लिगामेन्ट परिवार हाम्रो डिरेक्टर सरको स्वास्थ्य लाभको कामना गर्न चाहन्छ। धन्यवाद।